They love you out here, brother.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're not letting you in. No. Oh,
Are you guys enjoying New York?
yeah.
Yeah.
Who are you with?
24/7. We're paparazzis. We're just trying to show them love out here. That's all. What you need, brother?
I'm afraid we've been running around all day and we're soaking wet.
Also in the snow. At the very least.
At least get under here. Get under here. Get under here. Get under here. So y'all won't get all wet up. How you enjoy New York, brother?
So your Pat's TV is 24/7.
Pat's TV.
Yeah, man, I love it.
I'm so cold. I've been waiting for you forever. Like, seriously, touch me. Look, I'm like freezing fucking cold. Can I have a picture with you?
Yeah, sure.
Where is
Just too many of you guys, because I don't want to say yes to one person and no to others. Yeah, sure. Yeah, how you doing, man?
Doing good, brother.
Good day?
Having a great day.
Yeah. Watch out.
Watch your back, guys.
Go. There are guests here that need to get...
Watch your backs, y'all. Watch your backs.
The police will be called. You are trespassing.
Ladies, excuse me. Thank you.
Sorry.
Have a good one, guys.
Yeah. Oh, wow, that's amazing. Just it? Yeah, sure.
Wait, Romina, where's your phone? Wait, where's she? For some reason, like right now at this point, I can't take any pictures. No, press it like that.
Didn't you promise me?
How you guys doing? You having a good day? It's lovely to see you.
They are now. They are now.
Guys. Pardon us.
No.
Rude. I just wanted a picture. It's not like I wanted to snip your hair. What? Oh, sure.